Hello and welcome to Kuya Kye's Skuffed Cooking. This is a series of streams where I share my experience of learning to cook new recipes with novice skills. And today, we'll be making Katsudon. This is a Japanese dish that consists of a bowl of white rice layered with eggs, onions, and chicken katsu. It's flippin' delicious, and here's how I made it. First, I cooked about 4 cups of white rice.
Pot in place. This jasmine rice over here. Ugh. One more. Bam! Gonna squeeze this bad boy to make it back into shape. You know how, like, whenever you pour a bowl of cereal, your box of cereal gets pregnant afterwards? Gotta, like, squeeze it back into shape. Okay, let's bring this bad boy in here. That's nice. Ugh. This water looks like milk. I should save it for later so I can eat cereal with it. Just kidding. Okay, let's go ahead and get this motherfucker cooked up. Here we are, there we are. I like to do the finger method, the first digit of your finger.
After preparing the rice, I moved on to beating my meat. No, like, literally, I had to even out some of the chicken thighs by smashing them. Yeah.
So I don't have the mallet. You know that silver mallet? I just have my freaking fists. This is what I like to do on my free time. Okay, let's go ahead and get this oil cooking. So I'm using vegetable oil for this. Okay, that's good.
As I'm heating up the oil with a medium flame, I moved on to filling up 3 separate bowls with all-purpose flour, beaten eggs, and panko. With my bowls prepared, I suddenly remembered to season my chicken with salt and pepper.
Oh god, that's a little bit too much. Put a bit of pepper in here. You don't just want one side to be seasoned, you want the whole thing. You want that delicious goodness all over the place. Oh god! A little bit too much pepper. Oh, good thing my shirt is long enough to cover my butt, or else you'll be seeing some cake. You don't want that happening. Or do we?
Once I got everything ready to go, I coated my chicken with flour, then drenched it in my egg mixture, and then covered it with panko.
Alrighty fellas, let's go ahead and dip this motherfricker in the oil.
Now usually, you'd want to fry your chicken for about 12 to 15 minutes or golden brown, but I didn't realize that my oil got really hot. So my chicken ended up frying for about 6 minutes and turned copper brown.
Ah, the steam! Ow! Oh! Oh, it's brown already? Oh my god, I gotta throw the oil. Oh my god! Oh, it cooks so fast! Oh, ow! Ow! Got oil on my foot! Ow! Ow, it hurts! Ow! Ow! Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, that took 2 minutes. A bit longer. Just a tad bit longer. I don't want it to be raw on the inside. That shiz red. No, believe. Ow, fuck! Ow! Goddamn! Ow! Ah! The oil's hurting me! Okay, I think this is good. Woo! Oh my god. Take a look at that! Oh god, the oil's spilling! Oh no! Dang. Okay, that's good. Let's go ahead and take this out. Nice and crispy, baby. Here's the other ones. This is the first one that got a little extra brown. This is the second one, nice and golden. Here's the third. Yeah, these two are matching pretty nicely. Just that one that got kind of burnt.
After frying up my chicken, I mixed up a sauce that consisted of 2 cups of water,
2 cups, baby.
1 teaspoon of dashi,
Ooh.
6 tablespoons of shoyu,
1, a 2, a 3, oh shit, 4, a 5, and a 6, baby, yeah.
6 tablespoons of mirin,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah.
and 1 tablespoon of sugar.
That's good. Yeah. Alright, I think that's it. We're chefing it up, baby.
Next, I chopped up some green onions, parsley, and onions.
Oh my god. This green onion is looking mighty tasty. Mighty tasty, don't you think? This is what you want. Perfectly flaccid. There we go. Ugh, gross. Alright, now we can get to cooking. Get these green onions up in here. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, it's spilling. Dang it. I think you just chop it up like this. Oh, shoot. Wait, hold on. I gotta wash this. Oopsie. I'm not trying to have any bugs in my katsudon. Any potential bugs. Gotta get out of here. Choppy choppies. Slide it on in. Okay, I believe I have to cut these into wedges. Like so. Wedges. Be careful of your fingies.
With these ingredients chopped, I prepared my final assembly by slicing up my chicken katsu and scrambling more eggs.
Here we go. This is where the magic happens.
Following that step, I simmered the chicken katsu in my sauce along with some onions for a few minutes to combine the flavors.
Bloop, 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 bloop. Little bit of onion. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Woo! Oh shit! Okay, so with that going, we gotta dip the. We're gonna dip this real quick. Dip this motherfucker! Ooh, yeah, baby. That's what we like to see. Let's get these simmered nicely in the sauce. Yeah.
After a short simmer, I removed the chicken katsu and poured in about 4 scrambled eggs.
Spread this out. Oh god, do I need more egg? This looks kind of runny. Uh-oh. Okay, we're almost there.
While that's going, I prepared a bowl of white rice with furikake.
Woo! It's all coming together. I'm so excited. Woo! This is looking so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Finally, I combined it all together with a garnish of green onions and parsley.
Oof. Transfer over. Go. Woo! It's kind of dark. Ooh, yummy. Okay, I'm gonna put the katsu on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, and then a little bit of green onions. Ew, a little color in your life, huh? Nice. Sheesh. Woo! Let's go. Hell yeah, dudes. Hell yeah, dude. Need my taste tester. Hello. All right. Here is your fork, madam. Yeah. Get some cheeky meat and some eggs and rice. Oh, thank you for the follow. Aname, thank you. Ooh, got that first bite. That's good? Nice. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. Yeah.
Alright, that's how I made my very first katsudon.
Yay.
And I hope you get to eat some katsudon too.
Okay. Bye bye.